welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this Diwali pop-up card for the upcoming Festival of Lights. Open it up and you see this beautiful 3D peacock. Do you know that in other parts of the world, such as in Malaysia and Singapore, Diwali is known as Deepavali? So if you like this craft, please support this channel by hitting the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. So let's get creative, shall we? For this craft, we'll be using card paper, some A4 colored papers, pencil and pen markers, glue, a ruler, jewel or sparkle stickers, and scissors. Let's get started. First, for the inner part of the card, take an A4 colored paper and fold it into half. Measure 1 cm on the horizontal and vertical side and cut it. Then take another piece of paper, draw a circle with 5 cm in diameter and cut it. We need 2 pieces of these. Then take a card paper and fold it into half. Then measure and mark 5 cm from the bottom of the card. Take the 2 circles and make a fold, leaving the other half angled up. Apply some glue and stick it in the middle fold above the pencil mark. Stick half circles together as shown. Then we can now stick the colored paper for the inner part of the card. For the wings, we need 2 layers. Let's begin by making the first layer by folding the paper into half. On the folded side of the card, measure 16 cm and draw lines on the top and bottom. For the width, measure 10 cm. From the top corner, draw a curved line. The end of the curved line is about half the height of this wing. Then measure 6 cm from the bottom and make a smaller curved line. Then from the top, measure 1.5 to 2 cm for the feathers. Then draw some lines to connect to the inner curve. We can now draw the designs or patterns for the feathers, or you may also download the templates in the description below. We can now cut along the pencil marks. To cut the patterns in the middle, fold the paper and follow the lines. Open it up. We just created wing number 1. Now let's make the wing number 2, following the first steps that we did earlier. Same height but 12 cm width. One of the differences is that the inner curve is about 4 cm from the bottom as well as the big curve. And use the same measurement and markings for the feathers. For this wing, we are going to make a different pattern or design for the feathers. You may also download the template in the description below. We can now cut the pattern. Open it up to reveal wing number 2. Now we can make the body of the peacock. The peacock is about 9 cm by 7 cm. Since the paper is quite dark, I decided to make a cutout of a peacock body and trace it. We need 2 pieces of these. Let's now add colors to the body of the peacock. Time to add some colors to the wings and feathers. To stick the 2 peacocks together, apply glue only on the head, neck, and the upper part of the body. Avoid putting glue on the area marked with X. Put a little bit of glue on the front claw of the peacock. To stick the wings to the peacock's body, we need to cut 4 pieces of paper measuring 2 cm by 1 cm. And fold it into half. Here's how to attach the peacock to the card before attaching the wings. See the gaps in between? Insert the half circle in it and let the peacock stand. To attach the wings to the body, take wing number 2 and trim 2.5 cm in the center line. For wing number 1, trim 2 cm in the center line. Then on the peacock's body, trim 1 cm as shown. Take wing number 2 and insert in between the slits. Fold the wing in half over the peacock, then take one small cutout, add glue, and attach it to the body and wing. Turn it over and repeat the same step. Then trim another 1 cm on the peacock with a gap of half centimeter from the back wing. Insert wing number 1, fold it over, and stick the paper cutout. Make sure that the wings are attached to the body properly. We just made a peacock. Now we can attach the peacock to the half circle as I've shown earlier. Hold the last 2 feathers from the front wing and measure 3 cm from the bottom of the card and add glue. We only need to stick the last 2 feathers on the card. Make sure it's completely dry before trying it out. Now, to make the card cover, draw a pattern of a flower. You may also download the template in the description below. To add colors to the flower, let's do a paper quilling. Cut strips of colored paper. The width of each strip is about half centimeter. Roll a strip using your fingers, add glue and stick it to the card. Apply glue on the drawn pattern and follow the lines as you stick the paper strip. Use a thin stick to apply glue neatly. You may also use crafting tweezers to form and arrange the paper strips. For the greetings, cut 13 cm by 3 cm of colored paper. And cut another 12 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters. Write your greetings and stick them together. Stick the message to the card and add some jewel or sparkly stickers. And finally, you may add some more designs using colored pens. And there you have it, your very own DIY Diwali pop-up card. I hope you enjoyed making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!